Hi Leo, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for June 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon, and rising sign. Here is the general reading. So, to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. So, I have the cards laid out here. Queen of Swords in the position of past influence affecting this month. There is Ten of Wands as main theme. There is Three of Cups as roadblocks. There is Justice in possibilities for love reading. Knight of Cups and Four of Cups in singles message. And we have Four of Wands and Two of Cups in relationship spread, which is for people who are in relationship or married. So let's see what these cards have to say. I would be taking out one more card to get more clarity. We have Page of Pentacles here. I see some issue cropping up with a female figure who could be of Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius sign. It could be related to a child. For some, it could also mean somebody in distress reaching out to you. Could be a mother and a child who would reach out to you. So considering this is in the position of past influence, you may be knowing these people well. With Page of Pentacles over here, it also means that your future is going to change for better. Don't panic or worry if anything bad has just happened. Treat it as a learning experience. You are turning over a new leaf and you would be able to achieve higher goals. So don't worry if in your current position you are not really happy with certain aspects of your life. Things specifically financially are bound to improve for you. So let's move to the main theme. So with Ten of Wands here, there's definitely more pressure coming your way, be it at work or be it at home front. At home front, some responsibility may be coming your way. So like I said, there are some people who are coming from your past for help, which could be a mother and a child. I would also say avoid fighting with any of your siblings, or it could also mean a fight with your mother, which could lead to a lot of emotional baggage. So I would suggest, considering there is a Mercury retrograde going on. Mercury retrograde started on May 29th and is up till June 22nd. So just be cautious of what you speak. With Page of Pentacles here, it could also mean your own child. So there could be extra responsibilities coming from your child perspective. It could be project work, it could be exams, it could be financial matter related to your child. Or your child just may need extra attention this month. At work, you will have to clock in extra hours as the workload increases. So with Two of Cups and Four of Wands, some of you may be getting married and there could be additional work in regards to that, some chores that you need to finish. What Ten of Wands also tells you is that while you are taking this load, take a pause to check if you're moving in the right direction. So if you look at this card closely, this person is not really looking ahead because these wands are covering his face. So while he is taking that load, while he's taking that pressure, he doesn't know whether he's moving into the right direction. So he's just working hard, but he doesn't know whether his efforts will pay off. So do pause once in a while to check if you are getting closer to your goals. From an investment perspective, be very careful of where you put your money. I would rather suggest this is not the month to really invest in risky ventures, as you could lose money. There could be some kind of loss or robbery. Let's move to roadblocks. With Three of Cups, it could mean celebration gone wrong. So it could be some kind of a mishap, it could be gossip, it could be jealousy, and the party kind of spoiled by wrong environment, considering we are in midst of a pandemic. Some of you may even hear a news of a marriage being called off in your family. It could also be yours. However, it would be temporary postponement as there is a Four of Wands here. So, wedding is going to happen. However, there may be some kind of a delay. There could also be an overindulgence in food, liquor. So, try to take care of your diet because there are eating disorders and drinking problem associated with this card if it's in a block position. With Three of Cups, a lot of you may be facing an issue in terms of career options available, and there would be little to choose from where it comes to employment front. At work, a project could fail due to lack of team effort or team collaboration. Some of you may lose a project to a competitor, so try to work more close-knit as a team. There is definitely some kind of gossip and scandal around you. It could be regarding you or somebody you know. And because there's so many versions out there, you are so confused and you really don't know which version to believe in. I also see a loss of friendship. Let's move to possibilities. We have Justice here. I would also take out one more card. We have Six of Cups. So a past legal matter is coming to a conclusion, likelihood in your favor. There could be past enmity being resolved. I too see some kind of a contract being signed. There could be a past employer reaching to you for a job offer as well. It's a positive card in case you have issues to fight for in regards to your rights or on behalf of someone you're fighting for. With Six of Cups here, some could even marry their childhood sweetheart. With Four of Cups, I definitely see a sudden proposal coming your way. Let's move to the love reading. For some, there could be a proposal coming out of blue. So this person could be a singer, poet, or a writer. This person could be very artistic and incredibly charming, very romantic. Some of you may meet this person while traveling. It also looks like that there may be travel otherwise also in your cards, considering you do have a Knight of Cups. Let's move to relationship reading. Marriage for those who are in a relationship, or they could be getting engaged. For those who are married, with Three of Cups in the block position, avoid any third-party intervention. Try to resolve issues between the two of you. With Ten of Wands here, there is likelihood a problem in the relationship that needs addressing. Something you both are aware of, but you're just trying to ignore or hide whenever it comes up. It is time to tackle it head on and just get done with it. Don't let something potentially trivial to get in the way of a good relationship. With Two of Cups here, it's definitely a very good time to work upon your relationship, so make the most of it. I would be taking out a guidance card. This card is trying to assure you that you're finally in alignment with all that you've been praying for, focusing on, and working so hard to manifest. There would be bumps along the way. You will have to release some difficult people, situations, and habits in order to make space for the new. Face your doubts and fears head on. Things will fall into place. It's time to manifest your dreams and create the life that you want to. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Hotels for more updates. Keep watching. Much love.